Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 cat foods in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the benefits, performance, and value of the leading cat food that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these products to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Hill's Science Diet Dry Cat Food. If your feline friend needs to shed a few pounds, this cat food is a game changer. Within just 10 weeks, you'll see visible results. Say goodbye to those extra ounces. It's not just about losing weight, it's about keeping it off. Hill's Science Diet supports long-lasting weight management, so your kitty stays fit and fabulous. Nobody wants a flabby cat. This formula promotes lean muscle development, ensuring your furball stays strong and agile. Made in the USA with carefully sourced ingredients from around the world, Hill's Science Diet prioritizes quality. Your cat deserves the best, and this brand delivers. When the experts give their stamp of approval, you know you're on the right track. Hill's Science Diet is the top choice for vets, and your cat will thank you for it. In conclusion, thanks for tuning in, cat enthusiasts. If you want a happy, healthy kitty, give Hill's Science Diet a try. Number 4. The Blue Buffalo Wilderness Natural Kitten Dry Cat Food. Let's start with the star ingredient, real, high-quality chicken. Blue Buffalo knows that our little furballs deserve the best, and this cat food delivers just that. Your kitten will be licking their whiskers in delight. Growing kittens need all the right nutrients for a healthy start. Blue Buffalo's natural ingredients are enhanced with vitamins, minerals, and other goodies to support brain and eye development. It's like giving your kitty a little boost of genius. LifeSource Bits, sounds fancy, right? Well, they're exclusive to Blue Buffalo. These antioxidant-rich bits help boost your kitten's immune system. Because who wants a sniffly kitty? Not us. No mystery meat here. Blue Buffalo skips the chicken byproduct meals and avoids corn, wheat, and soy. It's like a spa day for your kitty's tummy. In conclusion, so, drumroll, please. 1 5-pound bag of Blue Wilderness Natural Kitten Dry Cat Food, high-protein and grain-free, chicken. Your little fluffball will be doing happy somersaults after every meal. Number 3. The Royal Canin Indoor Adult Dry Cat Food. If your feline friend spends most of their time indoors, this food is tailor-made for them. It's designed for healthy cats aged 1 to 7 years old who enjoy the cozy comforts of home. We all know how pesky hairballs can be. Royal Canin's blend of fibers helps move those hairballs through your cat's digestive system, keeping them comfortable and happy. Indoor cats tend to have a more leisurely lifestyle, but their appetites can be big. This food has controlled calorie content, ensuring they maintain a healthy weight without missing out on flavor. Highly digestible proteins mean your cat absorbs nutrients efficiently. Plus, less stool means fewer litter box odors, win-win for both you and your furry companion. Crunchy kibble isn't just satisfying, it also promotes oral health. Essential minerals slow down tartar formation, keeping those pearly whites in tip-top shape. In conclusion, Royal Canin Indoor Adult Dry Cat Food is more than just a meal, it's a wellness boost for your indoor cat. Give it a try, and watch your furball thrive. Number 2. The Instinct Original Grain-Free Recipe with Real Chicken Natural Dry Cat Food. Instinct Original Dry Cat Food is a game changer for our furry friends. Say goodbye to grains and hello to wholesome ingredients. With 81% real animal ingredients and nutritious oils, this kibble is a winner. The star of the show? Responsibly sourced cage-free chicken. It's the #1 ingredient, ensuring your kitty gets the protein-packed meal they deserve. Instinct Original is all about natural goodness. No grain, potato, corn, wheat, or soy here. Plus, probiotics support healthy digestion, and omegas keep your cat's coat looking fabulous. Each kibble piece is like a little flavor bomb, packed with nutrition and taste. Even the pickiest kitties approve. Raw ingredients are the secret sauce. Made in the USA with love, this cat food rivals the big names. Instinct versus the rest? Instinct wins every time. In conclusion, so there you have it, folks. Instinct Original grain-free cat food is a pawsome choice for your feline companion. Keep those whiskers happy and those tails wagging. Number 1. The Purina Pro Plan High Protein Cat Food with Probiotics. If you're looking for a nutritious and tasty option for your feline friend, stick around because we've got all the details. This cat food boasts real chicken as its primary ingredient. That means your kitty gets a protein-packed meal that satisfies their carnivorous cravings. Meow approved. What sets this formula apart? The natural prebiotic fiber. It nourishes specific intestinal bacteria, promoting healthy digestion. Say goodbye to tummy troubles. Omega-6 fatty acids and vitamin A work together to keep your cat's skin soft and their coat shiny. Your feline fashionista will thank you for this one. This used to be called the Savor Chicken and Rice Formula. But now it's the Complete Essentials Chicken and Rice Formula. Same great taste, new name. Antioxidants galore. This kibble supports a robust immune system, helping your kitty stay healthy and ready for playtime adventures. In conclusion, so, there you have it. The Purina Pro Plan High Protein Cat Food with Probiotics is a winner in our book. Your cat deserves the best, and this formula delivers. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.